unboxing. So now I am going to unbox this new speaker called Harman Kardon Aero Portable. It has Alexa. So let's open it. Ouch. And here's the very big speaker. You can see speaker is covered with this. I have taken the sticky tape back of the device, so now I am going to flip it open like this. Wow, this is so good, and it's here is the lights and here is the speakers. So let's see what else in the box. And here is an charging port which you keep like this and it will charge. Inside you can check. Inside there is a lock like this box. I don't know. It is open. Oh, here's the cable for the this is a charger. If you don't use the wireless charger, and side got something. I don't know what is it. And here's the manual. And so this is the wireless charging port. This is the Indian port, and this is the EU. So here is the manual, and here is they give some like this, and you can plug it. Can plug this in the Indian plug. If you don't have Indian, if you don't want to use Indian, another plug inside. So let's put the USB cable inside there.